Hi, I'm Matt, the head of marketing here at TravelJoy.
And I'm Caitlin from the Joymaker team, and welcome to Moments of Joy. This is our last one for 2025. We'll be seeing you in the new year, but we did have a pretty exciting day.
Yes, you know what you get when you add up lots and lots of moments of joy, a year of joy. We just came out of our Year of Joy webinar, which was our way to celebrate the year with you, our very amazing advisor community. It was so great to see you all in the chat, and we are very much looking forward to another amazing year next year. Now, Caitlin,
Hmm.
speaking of the idea of a year, what can we show our advisors today that might help them get organized as they head into 2026?
Well, do I have the feature for you? And it's a feature you may overlook in your account every single day. I'm talking about the calendar feature, and you might not know that you can actually customize your calendar to fit your mood. So I'm happy to show you that. Now, your calendar is accessible on the left hand side of your dashboard and gives you a bird's eye view of tasks that are upcoming, your trips that are underway, as well as any kind of expirations for passports or birthdays. You can see it in month view here in front of us, or you can choose to view it by week or even by day. You can also customize the colors that we're seeing on this calendar by heading to Settings, Calendar, and if you're a nerd like me about color, you can choose the colors that best correlate with these items, like showing client anniversaries, client birthdays. You can also choose to show these items on your calendar or remove them. Just remember to hit save as you go.
Thank you, Caitlin. I'm sure that will help everyone feel organized headed into the new year. Thank you all for your support of this new video series. We hope you are finding it helpful and helping you get the most you can out of Travel Joy. We will be back in 2026 with more tips and tricks. If there's anything you want to hear about, please drop a note in the comments. Until next year.
Bye, everybody. Happy New Year.